Wait, so what are you guys calling this card?
Oh, it's called Sapphire. Mine's like ruby. It's like a gem or whatever. And stuff feels like, oh, you get another gem or whatever, another. And this color is Sapphire.
Alright, so we have Sapphire, we have Ruby. What's yours again, Sky?
Yeah.
Alright, and then what's Alan's, bro? Alan doesn't have one yet?
Nah. I was gonna say something like script related. Because all of ours just have pretty unique, like.
Bro, mine's just called Riley, bro.
Right? Oh, I wasn't sure what.
Yeah, mine. I just threw Riley on that. Cause of Riley Reed, bro.
Here, bro. Can you take this?
Sponsored, hopefully, at some point.
Ooh.
It's dead.
Wow.
Don't tell me.
Yeah.
Ah, shit. This car's good. Ready to go now.
You mean
ready
this card?
for another
is
track day, bro? No.
For real.
Let it pick up idle.
Keep an eye on this battery before it kills itself.
For real, bro. Holy shit. It's a throttle cable, bro.
Pass me this phone. It's you can turn it off, bro. So what's up with the...
It's too loose. That's why it's not idling right.
It's too loose.
Yeah.
All right, startup numero dos. The cable has been tightened.
It fucking dies now. What's idle at? What's she idling at?
Right below. Oh, we got check engine light. It's right below 1,000 though.
Let me read the check engine light.
But overall, fucking clean car, bro. Clean ass car.
Only thing that sucks is the fucking cracks up there, bro.
And the floor right here, bro. Did you see this?
It's exactly.
Oh yeah, the fucking carpet's here.
Yeah, bro. What the fuck? I was like, cause this shit was moving in a lot, and it was bothering me the first time I was driving it.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, let me just take the shit off. And I was like,
The fuck is that?
Yeah, I was like, what the fuck?
That's a little better.
Wait, what?
And your mouth sensor might actually be faulty because it keeps picking up air, dropping idle, picking up idle, dropping.
Yeah, it's like weird how inconsistent.
Yeah. See if it changes going into gear. Still too high.
Yeah, it doesn't change at all.
Whoa! Did you tighten it too much or just like a decent amount?
Decent amount.
Like a bit more? You think you can
Decent
loosen
amount.
it?
Just enough to kind of let it loosen it good.
Yeah, we're gonna have to test drive it, bro. Put the strut tower back on. Let it idle.
Good, good. You're good, bro. The other way, the other way, the other way.
Yeah, no. Sorry, bro. Don't want to have it fogging either. Oh, okay.
no,
so I see what they fucked up here. Why this door handle's like that. That bolt doesn't even go in there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, bro.
Alright, alright.
Drive it hard and make sure to get a code, another code.
Yeah, because it's driving alright. It's just idling kind of hard.
Getting the little menu experience out here. For real, bro. I always hit this bump, bro. Fuck.
So, with that, you just stay in gear second? Oh, okay. I always wondered how to do it on bumps.
Huh? Oh, you should slow down a bit, I guess. You don't want to try it? It's feeling really good, bro. The car feels really, it kind of feels a little better. But we got to drive it a good amount because you need to see if that air core's going to come up or not. It does take a while.
Yeah.
You saw how I kind of just like caught the gear a bit more?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, homie, it's your turn now. Okay. You're shifting smoother than me, bro, so.
He's taking more time on the shifts, I think. Ooh, is that a 5.0 crash?
Yeah,
I
bro.
told you, it was Pro Charge, no?
It didn't, yeah, or it was boosted, I don't know what, but it didn't survive Mustang week, bro.
Oh! What happened to it?
I don't know. It's because also I was like, I don't want these motherfuckers to have gotten the wrong parts and like us waste our time putting them on.
You're still riding the clutch a little. I see your butt.
No. I'm on it.
Your foot's on it though.
I'm on it, but I'm not on it. Like I'm not like. Look at that.
Yeah, it's a little high. You see that?
No, but it's fine. I think it's a little high. No, bro, it's like very like consistent. If anything, maybe the throttle cable's a little over tightened.
Are you taking the past emissions?
Yeah, maybe probably.
I think we should just go for it right now, bro.
Oh fuck.
Don't beat it, just beat it, man. I'll go put gas in it. It's that much. Just point to the center. Just get it.
I'll go in, bro.
Hey, I'm down 6 feet. Yeah, bro, we worked on the car. We fixed it, bro. Let's go.
Dude, that was basically like a what? Like a 15-minute job?
Bro, we were supposed to finish this since last week, bro. Last week we did the painting. We cleaned up the engine bay a little. We did the partial tune-up and shit. Oil change, oil filter. I struggled a lot too at first with the Honda, bro. I was thinking the bumps like
dude, his homie was
kidding, like straight up, bro.
Dude, he wouldn't even slow down for the bumps.
Yeah,
You just take them.
The same thing you are, bro. It's like shutting off. Yeah, it's
stalling out. Yeah.
Yeah. Drop down all the way like under 5. You won't like clog or stall out.
That is sick. It's not smoking. It's not overheating.
It's slightly over temp, but it's just slightly that it's not burped, bro. Cause it goes up a little, but it comes down right away.
Yeah, it's managed.
What the fuck, Bijito? Wait.
Fuck no, bro.
You gotta respect the old heads. What you mean, homie? We're gonna be there one day.
Fuck the old heads. For real. If I can't drive and I'm more retarded, I don't want to drive anymore then.
Yeah, bro. If I become an old head where I can't enjoy shit like this, I don't even want to experience it, bro. I want to be one of those cool old heads that has like a nice ass built ass fucking like car, bro. Shh.
You get like a murdered out Supra, wouldn't you, Hector?
I'm gonna have the FC, my boy, cause that shit too fire.
You would get a murdered Supra, like you would murder out a Supra, huh? You seem like the type of guy.
Dude, I see you doing that shit.
Like not too crazy with body modifications. I'll have the body, but I definitely add like diffusers. Go crazy with all that.
Before we're 30 for sure, bro. That pull, ooh.
Sorry, bro.
That's a bit harsh right
That's
there.
because I didn't put the gear in on time.
Second, huh?
Damn, look at all that air you get, bro.
It's pretty nice, bro.
Homie had like a little banana on his dash.
Nice, bro. Fucking nice, bro.
What?
It's nice to have parks like that again, bro.
For
you
real,
don't see
bro.
anybody together anymore.
Bro,
shit,
dude, you don't see parks like this in Albuquerque that often,
Yeah.
bro.
Bro, this is the most height I've ever seen it, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, that 12 for me.
They're giving out free food or some shit.
Beautiful car, man. Beautiful car.
Bro, you know what? You know what sucks? Every time I tell everybody I have an Eclipse, they jump to the 2G, bro. They don't give the... Dude, they don't give the 3G enough credit, bro.
Nah, bro. Why? Like...
I didn't find the gear that time. I let it go in the clutch a little too early. Hey, but hey, when that happens, don't jam the gear in. You're gonna fuck up the transmission.
Yeah, just pull back and then correct it, bro.
Wait, I didn't catch what you said.
You know how the
Like,
gear didn't go in right there?
Oh, yeah.
Don't try to find the gear.
Don't force it in. Just like go back to neutral and then find the gear. Yeah.
I stepped back for a second. Oh my god, that shit fucking launched me back into my seat.
La echar unos 15, homie.
That's fine, bro.
Ya que lo maneje. See that puff, homie.
This homie.
Turn, motherfucker. Why are you slowing down? See, we're going too slow now.
Holy shit, bro.
fucking double clutching. So let's say you were to do a 25, bro, with someone, no?
Yeah, bro. Third gear feels really like potent, bro.
Dude, it's the intake manifold that holds it down by a lot.
It does. Realistically, it does.
Oh, okay.
Which one do you have? The GT one?
This one?
The manifold?
The
Yeah.
ugliest one, huh?
Yeah, that's the worst one, bro.
Yeah, reach this Jeep
Good for the low end, not for the high end,
I
though.
think because it's manual, bro. Like you already got the.
It's because this
you got the juice right here.
the manifold right now, bro, is good for low end. So like the takeoffs, it's really good for that.